Well, everybody, check this out. This is from Five Below. Yes, I have had some Five Below experience in the past, but this actually looks pretty promising. This is by Room to Room, and it's Bluetooth, as you can see, right in big letters down there. Bluetooth shows a phone app connecting to it, and you can change it to whatever color you want. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Oh, because I wanted to look at the dog.
What are you doing?
$5 light. $5 light.
Purchase this. It is the best thing I've ever seen.
I haven't even opened it yet.
Dude, you don't need to open it to know that it's amazing.
Why is it amazing?
Because it changes colors. Isn't that good enough? Look how it's controlled by your phone. You're never gonna lose a remote. Purchase this.
Okay, thanks. I mean, a lot of people out there got those gaming setups. They got tons of lights on. They got all sorts of RGB going on, and you could set this to match whatever, scheme you wanted to. So let's say you had like a blue-themed PC setup or something. You could use this to match that theme. We're going to give this thing a nice test today and see if it's worth buying. It was $5 at Five Below. Alrighty, well, here is the light. Obviously, minimal packaging to save money. So now that we have it out of the box, you can feel that the construction is entirely plastic. This is all plastic. This is all plastic. It feels pretty cheap. I mean, it is really cheap, let's be fair. On the back here, we have 3 AAA batteries, obviously not included. It's $5, let's be real. And one on and off button. You really can't rat on the design here. It's pretty clean looking. It's like a nice wood looking finish. Like, it looks good. It doesn't feel good, obviously, but who cares? We're not even gonna be like touching this thing that much, really. For $5, I'm not really too concerned. Let's get some AAAs in this thing and give it a test. Alright, I found one AAA and a remote with AAAs in it. You know what? Honestly, taking batteries out of a remote, it just makes it feel more earned, honestly. And there we go, the 3 batteries that we need. Alrighty, let's open the compartment up. Obviously, installing battery is always simple. I mean, not too complicated there. As I was getting the batteries, I was realizing that it's kind of a pain in the butt that you have to buy AAAs for this thing. Like, honestly, why doesn't it just, have something that plugs into the wall? That would be easier. I don't know. I guess it was too expensive. Whatever. All right, now if we hit the on button. Oh, wow. Check that out. It definitely changes LED colors. It provides an amount of light that's visible, but you're not going to be lighting anything up with this. This isn't something lighting to show off another object. It's more of just to look at it itself. Pretty cool. It looks pretty good so far. I don't know if it's in a pairing mode. There's no button to pair it, so I assume it's in pairing mode. Interestingly enough, they have a QR code over here to download the app that you need. Everyone tells me I have the world's ugliest phone case. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Alright, I think we're paired now. Okay, yeah, no, it works. I can change the brightness here with a brightness slider on my phone. Check that out. It actually gets brighter than it does normally, so that's decently bright. I'm gonna go shut the lights off and we'll just have some ambient lighting from outside to see how bright this is. Alright, now that ain't too bad. Honestly, it gives off a decent amount of light. It is really soft lighting. It's not super bright at all. Like I said earlier, you're not lighting anything up with this. But of course, on the app here, as you can see, we can pretty much change it to whatever we want on the fly, which is really nice. It's pretty intuitive. Oh, that purple looks nice. This is awesome. I am actually pretty impressed with this. For $5, you do need to buy some AAA batteries, but I think it's worth it. You could buy easily 4 or 5 of these and have them as little desk ornaments around your setup maybe, and it would look pretty cool. It's not too bad. So they have some color presets too, like some standard RGB. We also have music here. Wow, we're gonna get a copyright claim, but it seems to kind of work with music. I guess that's cool. You can do your microphone too as you talk. It's actually pretty good. The latency's not bad. We also have some different pulsating effects that they provide. We can change the speed. Yeah, they have some strobes, rainbow jumping change, pulsating red, green. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And you can actually customize your own, I believe. It's not a bad, app either. Like, it's a pretty intuitive app. It's nice and simple. There's not a whole lot of effects. There doesn't really need to be. To finish this short review off, I'm gonna go take this and put it next to my computer and see how normal it looks next to my computer, I guess. As you can see, right next to my keyboard here, it actually looks pretty at home, and it gives you a pretty good idea of how bright it actually is. It's decently bright, like bright enough to where I wouldn't be upset about this. I mean, it's more of a desktop ornament than anything else, so you can't really complain. But yeah, I think it'll pair nicely with other RGB items on your desk, and you could have a couple of them set up to link up and play at the same speed, you know, with other things of the same color that you have, so everything kind of looks connected on your desk. I think it'll be pretty good. Alright, so I'm at Video Productions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And goodbye.